Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial from Tamjida Prova. Today I'm going to show you how to draw mandala very easily and quickly using Adobe Illustrator. At first, create a new document. I'm going to work on a 1000 by 1000 pixels canvas. Name it Mandala and click on Create to continue. The next thing we need is a vertical line. Select the Line Segment tool and create a line. To make a perfectly straight line, hold down the Shift key while you are drawing. After that, align the line at the middle of the canvas. Click on Horizontal Align Center and Vertical Align Center. Next, we need to apply an effect. Go to Effect, then select Distort and Transform, and then Transform. I'm going to draw a mandala with 24 segments, so I need 11 more copies. And as I will have 24 segments, the angle will be 15 degrees. To calculate the angle, divide 360 by the number of the segments. Then click OK. Make a new layer. Then hide layer 1. After that, we need to draw a vertical and a horizontal line on layer 2. Enable Smart Guides to make your work easier. Hold down the Shift key and make a vertical line. Align it at the middle of the canvas and then draw a horizontal line. Align it at the middle as well. Now unhide layer 1. Choose the paintbrush tool to draw a shape. Make sure you draw on layer 2. Draw a shape between the vertical line we just made and the line next to it. Okay, now we need to select everything on layer 2. To do that, just click on the small circle beside layer 2. Then go to Effect, select Distort and Transform, and then click on Transform. Mark on a Reflect X, and we will need 1 copy. Preview to check and then click OK. With everything selected, we need to apply this effect one more time. So again, go to Distort and Transformation, then select Transform, and a dialog box like this will pop up. Click on Apply New Effect. This time, we will need 11 copies. Set the angle to 30 degrees. Preview to check and then click OK to continue. Now I will show you how to hide these overlapped lines. Select layer 1 by clicking on the small circle beside it. Then go to Object and click on Expand Appearance. Now click on any white space to deselect all. After that, we will work on layer 2. So just click on layer 2, then select the rectangle tool. Make sure the Smart Guide is enabled. Now draw a rectangle. Click on the vertical line. Drag it down to the horizontal line. Now choose the Direct Selection tool and select this anchor point and remove it. Then select this point and move it to the left exactly to this point. Now select layer 2 and click on Make or Release Clipping Mask. This will hide all the overlapped lines. All of these lines are only guidelines. If you think you need more guidelines, then bring this layer on top of the clipping mask and lock. Expand layer 1 and make a copy of this layer. Drag this layer on the New Layer button to make a copy. We will rotate it to make more guidelines in between these lines. Right-click on the mouse and choose Transform and then click on Rotate. Previously, our angle was 15 degrees and now we need to make half of that. So set the angle to 7.5 degrees and click OK. Now let's draw some circle inside this layer group before we continue with our mandala drawing. Select the ellipse tool and hold the Shift key and drag to draw a perfect circle. Draw a few more in the same way and then select all the circles and align them at the middle of the canvas. Now lock this layer. After that, we can start drawing our mandala. Go to layer 2 to continue drawing the mandala. All of the lines are invisible, so make sure you draw between these two lines. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you find this helpful, please like and share with your friends and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials. I'll see you guys next week with a new tutorial. Till then, bye bye.